Hey, Jim here, and let me actually, you know what? I decided to open my camera and talk to you straight because I want you to get results, not because I know to you personally, but because I know that you aim for results as me, as everybody in this group. So, what I want to do is actually do the review together. I want you to understand the mindset. Uh, Listen, I'm not trying to enroll you into my coaching and stuff like that. I have a coaching, but this is a completely different thing. I just want you to understand the mindset and stuff like that. So let's go together, right? Okay, load. My internet speed is a little bit slow, but it is what it is. So come on, let me actually close some stuff. Uh, by the way, I have a channel on YouTube. I mean, you can check it out. You can see my app, my training, some of the training, etc., etc. Okay, I see now. Come on, come on, Zing. All right, let's see. First and foremost, I see that you have big images. Okay, and you know what, it might affect the loading speed. We will check that together, don't worry. Okay. Okay, now, okay, I see. Is that a custom? I mean, I see that you have some. Let me actually, yes, because I want to increase my speed. Now, here's the thing. Your site is too dark. That's the first one. Okay. Even though black and white is good, I mean, but for you it's too black, especially I mean the footer. If I was in your place, in your position, I would choose. Do you see now that I hover that gray? Okay, that is what I would choose. Of course, if it's custom theme, um, talk to your developer. But of course, my theme is, better and faster, but this is not about that. And this, I would prefer this to be white. Okay, super clean, white, etc., etc. Now, I see the search, I mean, totally relevant. I will check from phone. Okay, now I see that you have this big kitting. Okay, I know that you might like it, but let me tell you. Okay, you don't have anything. Oh, let me ask you a question. Did this site fix a developer from Upwork? Because I believe that I have seen this site or a similar to this. Now, this is huge turn down. This you need to delete it, and maybe I will be honest. I mean, it's too dark here. Whatever. Uh, I will tell you, when you delete that, it might not delete everything from your theme and actually make your theme slower. So you might, I mean, just, I don't want to say that this happens, but it might leave some stuff in your theme and you need to delete them. I mean, you see something like bold, big hitting and stuff like that, and you delete them. Now this is huge turn down. I mean, to go in the first thing and see nothing electronics and you have glasses. I mean, use some common sense. Let's go in home goods. Home goods are good. I mean, I understand that what you did in the home page to add different categories so the members go there. I mean, to be honest, this is just a dream. Okay, what do I mean by that? you saying yourself what I was saying like a year ago before I dominate, because my background is CPA marketing, and I say, oh, I will add this and this and this to my homepage, and you know what, someone might go there and they like that and buy this and buy that, and I will have sales and stuff like that. Guess what? Nobody cares. Okay, nobody give a fucking shit. Okay, I'm not talking to you personally, don't get offended. Okay, this is the way that I talk. Now, let me tell you why nobody cares, and you shouldn't either. Your business, your entire business, okay, this is like a multi thousands, okay, dollars lesson actually. Your business essentially, okay, look at my eyes, is 2 pages. Okay, your product page, your cart page. This is all your business. You take a customer from Google, Facebook, influencers, Instagram ads, whatever, from their hand, and take them to the product page. So we don't give a fucking shit about this. We don't give a fucking shit about the product, the home page. Those stuff actually make your site worse. Okay, go into the Amazon. Do you see the Amazon zone to have a beautiful, stunning, page? No, they don't. Okay, so don't put your focus, on that pages. Now, let me see. This thing might cost you like, okay. This thing might be the one that lands from Phil Cipriano. Maybe, I don't know. Add to cart, I like a lot. I mean, you grasp the concept of having big call to action. This is, we're on good road. Okay. I will need to check that on. I mean, it's not clean. You need, if you want that bar, okay, to be, black, at least have this area here white, and turn this logo to black. Okay, this to black, very easy. This to white, this black, this orange. Simple, right? Okay, I would maybe this on here, maybe on top. I mean, doesn't really matter. Okay, now another thing that you kind of grasp it. I mean, if it's not from Phil Cipriano, that theme, and it's customized, and if it's from someone in Upwork called Subhas Khan or something like that, he sucks because you don't grasp a basic concept. Okay, now what's wrong with this page? Okay, it has the content here, the description, cool, but nothing on the other side, so it's not rich. Okay, here what you can do, okay, I will give you another one multi-thousands thing that nobody does. I will tell you right now, and I believe you have run a PPE ad. I don't run PPE ads, but for that example, if you haven't run any time, you only need $5 and a PPE ad. Okay, you run a PPE ad, you go there, you watch, and what you might wanna do is click on that and find the embed link, like YouTube video, and embed that link. Okay, then into this area. Okay, here is into this area. Go into your theme, okay, inside, and you add here, check what our lovely customers have to say about us, and you embed that. So think it outside the box. So this will appear in every product page, right? But since it will be generic PPE, it will not be about a specific product, etc., etc. You can add multiple, images, and up to here, just to fill the page, okay, just to fill the page, you can have, those actual real people testimonials that everybody knows. Facebook, everybody knows comment stuff and stuff like that. And it will be here because you have the images here and you don't have them like drop them below. So as someone, it's not visually good. Okay, now I see, and of course it's not visually good because you don't have tabs here. So it would be preferable to have like that this sheet ends. Okay, tabs here to have your description, here to have some shipping, here to have some reviews, and actually when click someone here, see all the description, and the description start this. Okay, and when they, let me actually grab this, when they click the reviews, the thing changes. And my theme does this, but I believe you invest money in your theme, so you might don't want this. Okay, now this you don't need it. Okay, this is fucking disgrace. Okay, what do I mean? I mean, you have all your text is here on one side, and then down here below you got this. I mean, I will tell you up front, I don't know if you struggle to get sales. I don't know if you have ads. Okay, if you have, I'm pretty sure that you struggle. You can do way better. Now, why? I'm reading this sheet, whatever you write here, right? Well, I'm a customer, and you don't actually answer to me how fast I will get it, what happens if I don't like it, what is the returns and stuff like that. Now, with your simple mind, and I don't want to offend you, your thinking, because I was thinking that way. I was thinking like, what the fuck? I have the links down below, return policy, about us, etc., etc. If someone wants to see, and I believe that you have done this, I haven't checked that, but okay, I see them here. Now, here's the thing. I had that myself as well there. 9 out of 10 people, okay, that will leave this fucking page, okay, they won't come back. Okay, so don't give them any reason to go and check. Okay, so this sucks. This, okay, sucks. Now you might ask, okay, Jim, give me a fucking example to understand. And let me tell you, I will give you, because you are asking that so nice to me. And I will go in one testing store. Keep in mind, it's testing. It's not about my theme that I do my stuff, etc., etc. Just shooting videos and stuff like that, especially about my app. Okay, I have another store for my theme, etc., etc. Now, what I want to show to you is product page. Now, we don't give a shit about that stuff. And I want you to understand a few things. Now, I will show to you a product page, not the best product page in the world, but one that actually will convert. So we have similar stuff, big, call to action, some stuff here. Now, the only thing is here the description, okay? As you can see, I haven't filled that either. I want to show to you the description, okay? Now, as you can see, it's clean, it's whatever, right? Now, I'm not talking about the description as description, but here, okay? You will get your money from people, okay? People will give you money. I mean, that's easy because we sell stuff, right? The next logical thing is why someone to buy something. I mean, I see so many people who have something like that, copy from Oberlo, actually not even copy, Oberlo, import that, and they expecting to have sales, etc., etc. So actually, let me move me here to be able to see it. Now, if I didn't have this sheet here, okay, a lot of people, they would go and see, find return policy, etc., etc., how to find that, what happened, etc., etc. So why the fuck I want them to leave? Well, I don't. So here is what I did, and I was convert like gangbusters. Not so about the text, but because it's hard to bring people to your shit. So if it's hard, don't make it even harder. Okay, this is the mentality. And I say, yo, we truly believe we make some of the most, we have the best shit in the world, even though that we ship them from China. I mean, this is what I say, okay? And we want to make sure, and we will back it up with a risk-free, ironclad 30-day guarantee. I mean, this is pretty much what Shopify, when you click a button and create your money-back refund policy, right? I mean, why to write this text, okay, instead of saying with few words. If you don't have positive experience for any reason, okay, I don't care if you don't have positive experience for any reason, we will do whatever it takes to make sure you are 100% satisfied with your purchase. I'm not saying I will refund you. I won't say I will give you the stars on the moon. I will say, hey, if you have problem, I will make sure that I will make it right for you. Okay, this is my hook. Okay, now I know that a lot of people, they don't trust. They say, oh, online, if it's not eBay, if it's not Amazon. So I tell them upfront, hey, buying items online can be daunting task. So we want you to realize that there is absolute zero risk in buying something and trying it out. Okay, buy it, try it, you like it, doesn't work for you, no worries, we will make it right. Why not buy, right? I mean, why not? If you don't like it, no hard feelings, we will make it right. I'm not saying, hey, if you don't like it, someone to buy and say, okay, I bought it, I don't like it, refund. No, I'm saying, hey, what's the problem? Do you have any problem? I will fix it for you. We have 24/7, 365 ticket and email support. Please contact us if you need assistance. And let me tell you, by adding this alone, if someone doesn't want the product for the price or whatever, well, they don't want it. But if there are about, well, I don't know, and I don't know them very well, I want it, but don't know if I will get it on time, etc., etc. Well, this push them. Okay, this is, you need to capitalize on something called micro commitment. If you make the customer to feel, to say yes on a small thing, I mean, hey, click add to cart from above to order. If they click add to cart, they go, to do whatever, right? The same thing I want you to have here. And of course, this to have it here, not even here, it truly sucks. You might want to add them on the top, but it might not work that out for you. I don't know. Okay, this is what I believe, but it really sucks. I mean, even visually. Back home, you need to work on that, delete that, whatever. Okay, and if you don't actually want to delete them, okay, here is a very cool trick that you can do. Let's say that you find the code, let's say that you do it yourself, which I say, hey, do it yourself. If you want to do something shitty, okay, it's not to, let's say that you go into the code theme and you are afraid if you delete something and stuff like that. Instead of deleting, there is a way to just deactivate, and if you want to activate it, later, you can. Basically, like you hide it, okay, like on off, okay, if there is an on your own thing. And the way that you do, you can do that with anything, okay? You can do that with paragraph and image, content, button, whatever, right? This to hide it, this to hide it, I mean, whatever, right? Let's say, and you go hide, save, you go here, you refresh, you see the change. If it happened, good. If not happen, you go there and hide it. I mean, it's 2-second task, okay? You unhide it, you then let me click new, okay, and let me actually show to you. It's not like to know code. I don't know code either. I know just to open a page and see some stuff. And you go in the beginning of the line, you add, let's say that this is the code, this is the code, this is the code, this is the code, this is the code. And you want to add, to deactivate this, maybe this delete, the trust badges, whatever. You click shift and, the comma, this to open, paragraph, explanation point, dash, dash. Okay, let me see if I can do this, and then dash dash boom. Okay, I believe it's explanation point, and let me actually see. Oh yes, you see that? Let's say, for example, I want to hide this. Okay. Well, it's very easy. Open the explanation point, dash dash. You see? Now, listen, if there is not that at the end, okay, it will hide everything. So you go into the place that you want to hide and dash dash close. Okay, let's say I don't want this to close. I want up to here. Boom. You see, now let's say that I want to unhide it. Well, if I simply remove the first here, the first and the last, but if you don't remove the first, it will show, everything here green and might confuse you. This is a good way. Now, let's continue. I mean, I give you some ideas. I don't know about the side speed. Okay. This sucks. You have, I mean, use some common sense. You have the card hidden, okay, and something pop. I mean, I probably need to click that card. I mean, I go with my mouse here. It sucks, okay. Add to card. And let's say that I do my task, I don't understand. Let's say even that I don't have good loading speed and this doesn't appear or appear for 1 second. Well, it's hard, okay? And of course, you don't want this, you want them when they click to go on the cart page or the checkout page. No, why you add more steps? Honestly, why you add more steps? If you're thinking someone might want to browse around and buy more stuff, you are mistaken. Okay, why I say this? Well, you have an ad for this product. What's your goal? Think it. My goal is, if I have an ad for that product, someone to buy this fucking product. If I have, let's say that I sell a cat necklace and a dog necklace, okay? And someone goes into the cat necklace. I don't fucking care if they buy the dog necklace. I don't even want them to buy the dog necklace. My goal is to go from the cat necklace to the product page and to buy. If I wanted to buy the dog necklace, I have all other stuff in place, maybe email, maybe retargeting ad, maybe another ad which target people with dog stuff. I mean, I don't even want them. I pay money to advertise my product and someone goes here and buy this. So I don't want them to browse around. I want them to finish. Click it, buy it, good luck. Okay, come again and buy it in the future. Now, as you can see, it was hard to go there. Okay. Now here, even though you do a good job into, basically, if you remember, we have like two pages are the most important: product page, cart page. Even though in the product page you do like, let's say 60% of the good work, which you can do a lot better. Here you do actually bad work, okay? Because you have this checkout and you don't have them above, okay? Very bad, especially mobile. This will go even deeper. This you need to deactivate that. Nobody will ever type something, and if they want to type, they will prefer to click the button to message us or send message to the fan page or send you email. Okay, they won't do that. Check out and keep in mind, if we are on mobile, let me actually see, you will see that this goes very below. I mean, when you make it hard, they're not having on the top, someone see, they already see what he bought, boom. They click the button, they go to the checkout. Okay, you do ugly job here. A little bit slow. This needs to go from here. Okay, needs to go. Okay, you do good work with colors to keep congruency. That's very key. But this is huge turnover here. They don't know if they need to click here or fill the info here and then click here and then they see. I mean, that payment method needs to stay on the payment. Also, let me go from here to here. Okay. You don't have your banner, obviously. I don't expect to have something like to convert more people. You have some issues here. You don't have trust badges, countdown timer to push them to go. And of course, you don't have some exclusive scarcity. To give you an example, let me go in another variation of the site. If you remember, the previous that I showed, it's gear type. Another site that I have, it's gear dash trading. Okay, it's in Latin America and in Brazil, but I want you to understand a few key things, okay? And don't pay attention on the, you know, we test different stuff. So what I want to show to you. Let's say, I don't know, let's say this. Let's say whatever, let's say this. Go there and pretend that I want to buy it, right? As you can see, we send them to the cart, no delay, no add, and then need, as you can see, we have them in the top, the same button. Because in mobile, we want them, they go, they don't want them to scroll, they want them to tap the thing. Now you might say, hey, you have yourself the PayPal. Well, in myself, it actually showed this for a split of a second. Okay, now I have a lot of stuff open, as you can see here. We have the logo, some trust badges and stuff like that. After a while, we will see a countdown. Listen, in real time, without having, because my speed is slow, I record stuff, I have a torrent open and stuff like that, and multiple, tabs open. It is a little bit slow, but the PayPal button, it shows like 1 second, like when the page is slow. Of course, this will push them more, but let's say that you use an app about discount and stuff like that. You might want to use my app. All the other apps suck, not because my app is the best, but because I know what I'm doing and I know what I want. And every app, even you use Privy, okay? I assume if someone opt in, you give them an email, a code, right, to get discount, maybe 10, 15%, 25. I didn't do that. But here's the thing. They need to go to remember and then copy and paste it. And have you ever checked in mobile how difficult it is to see that, to find that? It is very, very, very difficult. It's hidden, okay? And most of the traffic comes from mobile. Now, this could be a huge issue. But we have the true exit intent, okay? I know Privy have exit intent, but let me show you. Boom. You see? We try to exit for whatever, price, shipping, whatever. They try to exit, boom. Don't leave empty-handed, get 10% off from your order. Click now to get the discount. Now, in other apps, when they don't have like they don't have two other things, okay? Let's say you try to exit something, pop by accidentally, you click somewhere and then you never see that again, right? Even if you try, I mean, unless if you open in incognito and try to redo, which your client will never do that. With us, every time that someone tries to exit, we understand that, hey, we need to do whatever it takes to capture him. Okay? By how? Give them the discount. We don't give the discount too early because you actually lose money. Let's say that you get 100 visitors, and let's say 10 of those visitors will buy your stuff anyways. Why to give discount? You lose money, right? Another thing is, let's say that you get 100 visitors and 10 people will go here, but 8 people will buy anyways, and let's say 2, they are on the fence, they don't know. Well, those are the ones that we need to capture, that they won't buy, okay? The other way is to send them email, and as you know, emails, you need to be very, very good, and sometimes it doesn't work because a lot of people, they do fake dumb emails, right? And they don't go there very often because they receive 100 emails. Now, with us, we understand first, we need to capture them. Second, when someone click that, we don't want to copy in the clipboard, we don't want the customer to remember, we don't want the customer to do whatever, even in mobile, okay? What we want is when someone click, give me the discount, to get his fucking discount. and to be applied automatically, no matter if they are on mobile, desktop, tablet, whatever. No matter, we want them to get the discount and this discount to be applied. Let me show to you. Someone click the button, boom. As you can see, this applied, page refresh, and they see the discount as normally as if they type it, same thing. Now check this out. Now we intelligently understand that, hey, we did what the best we could. So now if someone try to exit, we don't show them our message. Our job is done. Okay, and as you can see, we have them a little bit dark because we want them to focus here. Now with you, of course, we are the first app that do this. We charge like $10 on private beta users. We increase like 300% our ROI and ROAS, return of advertising spend. We spend like 500 and get 2K back just with that. But anyways, we know what we do. I don't see something. I'm not saying that to sell you the app, my theme, whatever, right? If you buy, you buy. Okay? I can hook you with discount and stuff like that, another thing. Now, the mentality here is I don't expect you to have the app, but I don't see to have this. Okay, trust badges. This is very important step. This is the step that someone actually put, his card out and say, okay, I will buy this. Okay. We don't see something to pressure them. Hey, you have 10 minutes. I'm not saying that when the 10 minutes over, something will happen. Just I'm saying, hey, you have 10 minutes. Okay. Those little stuff adds up, and yes, someone buy. This is like I have 0.7% conversion rate, which means to get a sale you need 200 people with 3% conversion rate. 200 people, 6 sales. And as you can see, if you go in my stuff, in whatever site you go, I'm not selling cheap stuff. I'm not the cheapest. Actually, I'm one of the most expensive ones. Okay? I'm not saying, hey, you come to me because I'm the cheapest. I never said that. I never claimed that. I don't want that. Okay? I'm selling stuff that are expensive. People give me real money. Okay? My average of order value per item is like 60 to 69 bucks. Okay. Now let's see if you have more stuff. But those are the stuff. Of course, I give you some sites to to check. Let's go. I give you some stuff. I mean, from there, it's up to you. Okay. And of course, it's up to you if you want to, invest and do whatever, right? And maybe learn more and stuff like that. By the way, as a thank you that take 40 minutes. Of course, I take 40 minutes from my time plus record that. I want you to give you another one gift. Actually, two gifts. Okay, and let me tell you, there are kick-ass why, apart of the other stuff that I do. It's 2 webinars. Okay, and I'm not even asking you to opt in, so you're not gonna be in my list. You're not gonna receive information. Of course, someone to receive information from me, it's very, very, very difficult because I don't care to send emails every day and stuff like that to buy. It's very difficult someone to add him in my list because I am in more direct approach. So one, you're not gonna see me in your inbox even if you want. 2, okay, you're not in those two webinars, you don't need to, invest a lot of time to watch them. One is 1 hour, the second is like 40 minutes. Okay. 3, actually, yes, 4. You don't need to set up your time. Okay, you go there, you watch it. It's actually free training. Okay, that I put out. The link is http superacademyclub.com/webinar promo. Don't get misled by the name webinar promo, it's actually training. You click superacademyclub.com. I'm not gonna give it to you typing and stuff. If you want to go, go. If you want to not go, don't go. I don't care. Okay, if you want to go in other sites to get inspiration, go. If not, I mean, don't go. And another one is superacademyclub.com/mini training. Don't forget the dash. Okay, those stuff are, you will be here, you click, boom, you see. Okay, I'm not gonna say go there and watch it. I'm not gonna entice you. If you want to go, it's free. I host them in my site because I didn't want people to give me their email and build my list and spam them to buy my stuff. I prefer to make money in other way. But anyway, I hope you get some value. It was fun. We actually spent together 40 minutes, so we learned a few things, from each other. Actually, I was the one that I was talking. You were the one that you were listening, and you were a good student because I believe that you listened and you had some aha moments and you grasped some concepts. Okay, thank you for your time. I try to be short, to have it short. I mean, I couldn't because there were a lot of stuff. Watch this video like 2 times. Maybe you understand this part here, this part here, this part here, this part here, this thing here, some trust badges, this thing, okay. This, I like this black again, but it's not like what I like, it's what's right, especially the card page. If you use someone called I mean, why this stuck to my mind that you use someone from Upwork, but if you use him, you have small problem. If not, whatever, right? That's it. And this thing here, the way that you go, your flow, okay, it's not good. I mean, I click it add to cart, I want to go to the cart. Okay, then from the cart, some button up, down, maybe some trust badges on the top, maybe a counter, whatever. Close the note thing to make it like smaller, the cart, have better flow than the checkout, have some trust badges, have some countdown timer. If you want to have my app, whatever, right? And basically have some stuff here to push them and make the person, the potential customer, everybody that comes here is a potential customer. So don't make him go from here to go here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and whatever, right? Don't do that. Keep them on that page, and if you want to move, only move forward. Okay, move forward, not backward. That's it. 45 minutes. It's a pleasure. Thank you for your time, and talk again next time. Bye.